Tired of the same old zucchini recipes? Well, I've got one that's great for your palate and your waistline. Here you'll take your washed zucchini, you're gonna cut it lengthwise in half and then quarter those pieces. Then here we have 3 eggs and you're going to be whisking these. And here's a bowl of your Parmesan. Whisk, 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 whisk. Get a workout. Now you're going to be doing the dipping and you're going to be, instead of breading it, cheesing it. And then I use this spray for everything to stick. And into the air fryer goes. Make sure you spray that, otherwise it'll stick to your air fryer. 10 minutes, bye. Okay, so our ranch zucchini sticks are cooking. We have 7 minutes left. I made the next batch and I'm ready to season them, but this time I'm gonna try everything bagel seasoning. Very curious to see how that one's gonna turn out. Everyone loves everything bagel seasoning on pretty much everything, so we'll see how this turns out. All right, we're halfway through. I'm just gonna peek at these guys. Ooh. Oh my God, you guys, it smells so good. 5 more minutes. All right, so these guys, like hardly any of the everything bagel seasoning stuck to it. So I'm like flipping it and pressing it in. And I think that's gonna help that. So that's my little tip for these with the everything bagel. Save all this and put it back on those zucchini. And 21 seconds left for my others. I don't normally make something for the first time on video, but I winged it. Oh my gosh. Hold on, that's the steam. Oh my God, they smell so good. You guys, that was so easy. Oh, I can't wait to try these. I may have forgotten to tell you, but it is 390 degrees and for 10 minutes. Mine on that goes to 15, down to 10. See you soon. Okay, so second batch is cooking. Here's our first batch. I think I let it cool down long enough. If not, I'm gonna have a burnt tongue. So I've got some ranch dressing here. About to try these bad boys out. Excuse me. That's really good. It doesn't have the same like crispiness as a breaded fried zucchini, but the fact that there's no carbs other than what's like naturally in the zucchini, because we used Parmesan cheese, makes this guilt-free and so quick. Highly recommend. Try this. Can't wait to try that everything bagel flavor one. All right, so these guys cooked faster. 2 minutes left. They look ready to go. Probably because the air fryer was already preheated from the previous batch. So I'm gonna take these guys out. So the everything bagel batch has not really cooled down, but I'm so impatient. So let's try these guys. Remember, these cooked for 8 minutes instead of the 10. But again, I think it's because the air fryer was already hot from the previous batch. So, because I didn't preheat it with the other batch. So maybe the ranch will cool this down. They're kind of hot. I may have a burnt tongue. That's yummy. I'm kind of torn which ones I like better. I don't think I have to choose, right? I can choose both. I can kind of, yeah. So, anyway, some ideas of how to get more vegetable intake and still keep it healthy, fewer carbs, and a great snack idea instead of going for something that's unhealthy for you. Here you go. Here's a great idea. Now serve. These were delicious. My kids tore them up, which is awesome. And I served it with ranch, but if you like blue cheese, you can use that too. Enjoy.